Hi Annie, how are you?
All good, thank you so much.
So, could you tell me something about the university, its unique programs and scholarships available for international students?
Right, to answer your first thing, it is Mount St. Vincent University, and it's a public university which is in Nova Scotia, and the campus is in the capital city, that is Halifax. And when we talk about the USPs, it's a public institution, which is, of course, in today's time, the biggest USP for the institution. We are in Halifax for more than 150 years, and we do offer scholarships to undergrad students, and you can say we are accepting applications right now for that. And the program, we offer it on both the levels, like undergrads as well as masters. So our masters are of 2 years, and we have 3 and 4 years of bachelor's degree as well.
So, how can students position themselves to succeed in Canada's evolving job market?
Right. So, what I suggest to all the Canadian aspirants, it's very important that you explore options that are available on campus. So, if you're coming to the institution, you must explore what they have to offer in terms of, let's say, your course embedded with some work integrated learning. For example, Mount St. Vincent University, we offer three different type of work integrated learning, which is cooperative education. Now, co-op is basically study plus work, and it is paid. So in case you are not looking off campus options, you have lot of opportunities you can grab on campus. And we have internships. These can be paid or unpaid. So internships are the best way to kickstart your journey or gain experience. And then MSU also offers lot of lab work or research works for healthcare and medical students. So I would say the first step, it is very, very easy for all the international students to grab, is to explore the opportunities and where the institution can help you out rather than looking for something out. So students can opt for these kind of an option, and MSVU supports the international students in these work integrated learnings.
So, how does living and studying in Halifax compare to living in Toronto or Vancouver?
It's very different, to be honest, but if I talk about city, it's very important for international students, like right now, that what province they are choosing and what kind of city they are coming to. If I talk about Halifax, for international student, Halifax not only a capital city, but it's also a commercial hub. So you can say majority of the logistic activities for Canada, they take place in Halifax. It is also a tourist destination. So when we take a combination of being a capital, then a tourist destination, then a commercial hub, so this the combination over here gives students the opportunity to explore more and more option in terms of jobs that are available and the residency option. So if I talk about Halifax, it's not much populated right now, but when I say in terms of jobs, there are a lot of opportunities that are there, because it's a very new city which is like coming economically up, and even the accommodation options are also must. So these two are the major challenges basically for international students, and it's very vibrant. We have diversity over there. So I think it's a good place for an international student to kickstart his journey in Canada.
That's wonderful.